Unlocking the mystery of numbers 701 to 800. Hello and welcome back, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English cardinal numbers, focusing specifically on numbers 701 to 800. Let's demystify their structure and understand how they're formed. Don't worry if this seems challenging at first. Remember, practice makes perfect. Before diving straight into numbers 701 to 800, it's essential to review the basics. Every number from 101 upwards consists of hundreds, tens, and ones. For example, the number 432 can be broken down into 400, 400, 30, 30, and 2, 2. Now that we've reviewed the basics, let's apply this knowledge to numbers 701 to 800. These numbers all begin with 700, followed by the tens and ones. For example, the number 763 consists of 700, 60, and 3. Let's break it down. 701, 700, and 1. 725, 720, and 5. 780, 700, and 80. Remember, when there are no ones in the number, like 780, we just say the hundreds and the tens part. Pronunciation can be tricky, especially when it comes to numbers. But here are a few tips to help you out. Hundred is often pronounced like hundred or hundred in rapid, casual speech. The tens part is pronounced with a strong emphasis on the first syllable, like sev and tai, a tai, and nine tai. When you're saying the full number, there's often a slight pause between the hundreds and tens parts, like 725. And there you have it. You're now equipped to confidently count and pronounce numbers 701 to 800 in English. Remember to keep practicing, as familiarity will make these numbers second nature. Stay tuned for our next lesson where we'll continue our journey up the number line. Happy learning!